What's up, family? Welcome to the channel. My name is T, and I will be showing you guys how to make shepherd's pie. This is my first video, and my wife will be doing the voiceover.
We have 2 pounds of ground beef, 1 box of instant mashed potatoes, 1 pound of extra sharp cheddar cheese, 3 cans of mixed vegetables, 3 cans of sweet corn, 1 can of cream of mushroom, and 1 can of beefy mushroom soup. So after adding in the soup, we're going to add in the vegetables and get all that mixed all together. And then once he mixed everything together, we're going to start working on the instant mashed potatoes. Now you're going to need a little elbow grease so you can go ahead and get this mixed all up because you don't want it to be layered like this. You want everything blended well so when you layer it in your pan, you'll be able to taste everything and all the goodness of all the vegetables, the meat, and it will just be savory in your mouth. So the key to the instant mashed potatoes is to already have your water boiled and boiling. So when you pour it in, the only thing you have to do is put your salt, pepper, and your butter in it and just keep stirring it and stirring it. And as you continue to stir it, it will thicken up. And once everything is stirred and thickened up to your liking, then the mashed potatoes will be finished and they'll be ready to be layered on the shepherd's pie. All right, so now here we are going ahead and adding the mixture of the vegetables and beef together. We're going to smooth it out really good at the bottom of the pan. Make sure it's evenly distributed, no lumps and humps. And then we're going to go in with the second layer of mashed potatoes. Make sure that that's spread it out, distributed evenly as well, so that when you cut it at the end, you have some of everything, okay? Not too much of this and that, but just enough of everything. So basically, you're just doing layers, okay? After the second layer, we're gonna go ahead and add the cheese and pop it in the oven for about 30 minutes. It really depends on how your oven is. Some ovens may take longer, but just keep an eye out on it. It's already cooked. You just want everything to come together, for the savory of everything. And so that when you cut it, it'll be almost like cutting a cake, if you know what I mean. So, yeah, go ahead, add that layer of cheese, and everything is pretty much done. Now you can sit back and relax until dinner time, and your family will love this dish. We cook it all the time for a family of 6. And this is the finished result. Sorry we didn't get a picture of after we cut it, but we will do better next time. God bless. Thank you for watching.